I'm Tim Miley. I'm a lawyer, and these are the 5 biggest mistakes people make after a car wreck.
Number 1.
They fail to get treatment after their car wreck, even when they are injured. They think they're going to get better and recover in a matter of days, and that usually never happens. The insurance company will use that period of time where you didn't get treatment against you and claim that you were never really injured in that wreck.
Number 2.
They don't call the police. The police will come to the crash scene and prepare a crash report, and that will take down the information as to who's at fault for the accident. All too often, we see people are in an accident, they exchange information, they don't call the police, and then they go their separate ways. And then after a while, the person who was at fault for the accident has a change of heart and then disputes that they were the cause of the accident.
Number 3.
They don't gather evidence. In many cases, there are witnesses to that crash. You need to get those identities of the witnesses and get a statement from them. They fail to get video evidence, and that video evidence comes in many different forms. It can come from dash cams from other vehicles. It can come from surveillance cameras from businesses. It can come from ring cams from homes. They forget to take pictures of the accident scene. Use those cell phones to take pictures of the accident scene and any damage to your vehicle or injuries to your person.
Number 4.
People who have been in an accident share way too much on social media. Let me give you an example that I've seen way too often. We have a client who was in a car wreck with her children, and she put out there on social media afterwards, "Thank goodness everyone was okay." Well, they weren't okay. She and her kids were injured, but what she meant is, thank goodness nobody was killed in that crash. The insurance company will be looking for that kind of evidence on social media, and they will take it out of context and use it against you.
Number 5.
They settle too quickly and for too little. Way too often, a person is in an accident, they get injured, and they don't hire a lawyer. And the insurance company offers them a little bit of money for their injury claim, and that person settles because it's likely more money than they thought they could ever get for their claim. The problem is the person's still injured, and once they settle, they can never get money for the continuing injuries they experienced from the crash. Please, do yourself a favor, don't settle too quickly and for too little. Consult with a lawyer before you sign anything with the insurance company. Consultations with lawyers are usually free. They are with my firm. These are just some of the mistakes I've seen people make after a car wreck. For my full car wreck checklist, click on the link in the description below. Also, be sure to subscribe to future episodes of Tiger Talks, or go to our website at mileylegal.com to get answers to your legal questions, or contact us to set up a free consultation. Thanks for watching.